So it's definitely fun to just reconnect with all my friends that are going to Harvest right now.
I definitely enjoy this awesome weather that we're having at Harvest right now, and just being able to go outside and play a game of Ultimate or football with all these people from all these other colleges and meeting new people.
It's really cool to meet students from different colleges, and then also get to know people from my college that has came with our chapter.
We had prayer time, and that helped me think about my walk with God.
Since we have a relationship with him, it's kind of like having a relationship with a girl, with a girl, and like you're not talking to her. What good is that? So that's not really a relationship.
I feel like I know what I need to do now with my life.